March 16th, 2022. How's it going, guys? Got another video for you. Took some photos of the moon tonight, and when I was taking the photos over here, there was 10 blackbirds up in this tree. And I thought that was pretty cool. And I thought I might give a little bit of information about what actually, the blackbird actually stands for. Because everybody thinks it's like the end, doom, gloom, and all that and stuff. But the bird symbol is actually symbolic of life of the heavens. And it's for like higher ideas, higher path of knowing. And the color black itself is symbolic of pure potential. So it's not, there's always two sides to everything. And like I say, and that's not bad, that's good. And I wanted to show this to you guys, and I thought that was kind of cool. And I'm going to put one other photo as the moon got higher above the tree here. I'll show that real quick. So hold on, guys. And there you go, guys. I thought that was a pretty awesome looking sight tonight. Anyway, guys, eyes open, and have a good one out there.